Alright guys, we're out here at the ranch, Three Canyons Permaculture Farm, and we've got some well problems. So what I'm going to do is give you a little lesson in wells. What we have down here is a gallery well, which is quite shallow. And in the gallery well is a deep well pump. Now these are not designed to continuously run without a pressure tank and a shutoff, or they burn out. And so this one is quite old, has burnt out because we did not have that set up. So what we have to do is remove the old pump and put in a new pump. And that's what Sweetwater and Son is doing right now. And what that entails is at the wellhead here, inside of there, about 5 feet down, is something called a pitless. And this pitless is how you extract the pump. And without the proper equipment, it tends to be a little difficult. So what we're going to use is a crane, and we're going to pull that pump out of there. And when that happens, we'll show you how that works. She's going to attach it right now. So stay tuned. So the pipe sticking out of the casing is now attached to the pitless. The pitless is a brass fitting on the side of the casing that has a chassis that allows the pump cable and the wire to be seated on the casing. And it's also a way to then pull out the pump. So they're just lining it up to hook it up. And then the extraction will begin. Alright, they're attaching the cable, and they're going to pull this whole intersection out. Pretty exciting. Okay, so they just got it hooked, and they're going to pull the whole thing out. She's alright. Alright, it's coming up. It's looking good. It's actually working. Awesome.
Yay. What was the solution for lack of rope? You were talking about a rope that needed to be there down the well casing to pull the pump out.
It's the pipe that she attached to, so she's going to pull it all out.
Yeah, yeah.
It's actually the pipe you pull out.
Okay.
So she's pulling the whole pipe out. And right above the PVC is what it gets. As you lower it down, there's a little chassis like this. And that brass fitting above her hand sits in the side of the casing and holds it in place so you can grab it again.
Yeah.
So she's untaping it as it comes up here. And probably retape it as it goes back down.
Yeah.
In the truck. Okay, you see that deep well pump right there has been extracted, and then we're just going to replace it. and keep the power off until he can set up a pressure tank and do it right. Thanks for watching.